Hitting the right tune in English, Unraveling Idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, hit the right tune. Whether you're a music lover or not, this idiom has a place in everyday English conversations, and understanding it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's tune in and find out what it means to hit the right tune in English. At first glance, you might think this phrase is all about music. And you're not wrong. Hit the right tune metaphorically comes from the world of music, where hitting the right notes is crucial for a good performance. However, when used as an idiom in English, it means to say or do something that is particularly appropriate or perfectly timed for the situation. It's about finding the right words or actions that resonate well with the audience or the circumstances. This phrase is incredibly versatile and can be used in various contexts. Here are a few examples. In personal relationships, when someone says exactly what you needed to hear, they've hit the right tune. In professional settings, a presentation that perfectly addresses the audience's needs and expectations can be said to hit the right tune. In negotiations or discussions, finding a compromise that satisfies all parties involved means you've hit the right tune. It's all about the impact of your actions or words and how well they're received by others. Let's see how to incorporate hit the right tune in sentences to better grasp its usage. 1. The CEO's speech about the company's future plans really hit the right tune with the employees, leaving them motivated. 2. During the peace talks, the mediator managed to hit the right tune with both parties, paving the way for a hopeful agreement. 3. Her apology hit the right tune, and I could tell she was sincere. These examples show how hitting the right tune can lead to positive outcomes in various scenarios. Understanding and using idioms like hit the right tune can significantly enrich your English speaking and writing skills. It adds color and depth to your conversations, making you sound more fluent and natural. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of this expressive idiom. Don't forget to practice using it in your daily conversations. Until next time, keep hitting the right tune in your English learning journey.